Today I'm going to show you how to use split toning in Lightroom, which is now called color grading. This is one of the easiest ways to give your photos a professional look, add mood, and create that cinematic style you see in so many edits. If you want quick color control over shadows, midtones, and highlights, this tool is perfect. And if this tutorial helps you, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more Lightroom tips and editing guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Adobe Lightroom and go to the color grading panel. If you've used older versions of Lightroom, you may remember this as split toning. The name changed, but the idea is still the same. You're adding different colors to different parts of the image based on brightness. Here's the simple breakdown. Shadows affect the darker areas of your photo. Midtones affect the middle exposure range. Highlights affect the brighter parts. And balance controls whether the effect leans more toward the shadows or more toward the highlights. So once you understand those four parts, the whole tool becomes much easier to use. Now let's create a common cinematic look. Start with the shadows wheel, click into it and drag toward a blue or teal tone. A good starting point is somewhere around a hue of 200 to 220 with saturation around 10 to 25. You don't want to overdo it at first. A subtle amount usually looks much better than a strong color cast. Next, move to the highlights wheel. Drag that toward an orange tone, usually around a hue of 30 to 40, again with saturation around 10 to 25. This gives your brighter areas a warm film-like feel that pairs really well with cool shadows. After that, adjust the balance slider. If you move it slightly toward the shadows, the cooler tones will become more noticeable in the darker parts of the image. If you push it toward the highlights, the warm tones will stand out more. For a classic cinematic style, a slight lean toward the shadows often works best. If you want a more natural look, keep both saturation settings low and make very small adjustments. If you want a more stylized look, increase the saturation a little more, but always preview the image carefully so it still looks clean and believable. A really good workflow is to start subtle, then zoom out and compare before and after. That way you can see whether the color grading is improving the image or making it look too strong. Remember, split toning or color grading should enhance the photo, not overpower it, so the process is simple. Open color grading, choose your shadows color, choose your highlights color, and use balance to control the final feel. Once you practice it a few times, you'll be able to create everything from soft warm portraits to dramatic cinematic edits in just a few clicks. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Lightroom editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.